hope everything is going great with you all. And yes, I know it's been a while that I haven't posted any tutorial about makeup tutorial. So here I am back with yet another makeup tutorial, and this time I'm gonna tell you how to achieve that perfect smoky look but in just 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. And as you know, Rakhi is around the corner, so here I am to tell you how to achieve that smoky look, and that too quickly and perfectly. So keep on watching the video. And before I tell you how to get that perfect smoky look, let me finish my base makeup, and that too very quickly. Now as you can see, I have almost finished my base makeup, and now as I have promised to show you how to achieve that smoky look within 10 minutes. So here it is, the trick. Here I am taking the gel liner, that is the brown gel liner from L'Oreal, and I will be applying it all over my eyelids with the help of my finger. So you can take any gel liner or any color you want. Here I am just telling you the technique to achieve the smoky look, that too quickly. And don't worry if it get messed up a little. We are doing this just to intensify the color on the lid. Here we have applied the liner all over the lid, and I will be using this old-fashioned color, that is the dark brown shade from the palette, and I will apply it all over my eyelid where we have applied the gel liner. Also the same eyeshadow I am gonna apply it in my lower lash line just to smoke out the lower lash line as well. And now to blend the edges, I'm using here this sweet tea color, that is the light brown color from the palette. With the angle fluffy brush, I'm gonna smooth out the edges so that it looks seamless. As you can already see, the smoky look is finished here, and not completely finished, but yeah, it's on the edge of finishing. So yeah, you can keep it like this by applying 2 coats of mascaras on both the lashes, the upper one and the lower one, or else you can apply the liner as well if you want. And if you don't want the liner, then you can totally skip it. Yeah, here I am gonna apply the liner. Now to line my eyelid, I like to stretch my eyes a little bit from the outer corner and start it with the inner corner, that too lightly with light stroke. Now I like the wing liner the most, so I prefer to draw the wing. So yeah, I'm done with the eyeliner, and as you can see, I have done again the wing liner. Even though I think of not doing a wing liner and doing simple lining my eyelid, but I always end up doing the wing liner. So you can guess now how much I am obsessed with wing liner. I always end up doing a wing. Yeah. This time again I have done a wing liner, and I have used L'Oreal's black gel liner to line my eyelids. And now to tightline my lower lash line as well as the upper lash line, I am using the Maybelline's Kajal, that is black in color, and I am just tightlining the lower as well as the upper waterline. Now you can also add a little bit of glitter to the look, but today I am not using any glitter on my eyelid because then it won't be a smoky look. Completely it won't be a smoky look. So here I am leaving my eyelids like this only. For mascara, I am using the combination of two mascaras, that is the False Lash Superstar mascara, and in this I am using the part 1, that is the step 1 of the mascara, that is the fiber one. So I am just coating my upper lashes with this fiber coat. And now to coat my eyelashes black, I am using here the Maybelline's Hypercurve Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and I will be applying 2 coats of it because today I am not going to apply any falsies, so that's why I will be applying 2 coats. And now for blush, I am using the Ice Pop color from the same palette, that is the bright pink color, with the help of my blush brush right on my cheek. And for highlighter, I will use the main squeeze color, that is the glittery golden color from the palette, right on my cheekbone. Such a pretty highlighter. It's not a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow, but I like it as a highlighter. In fact, you can use it as a highlighter and just be creative while doing makeup or anything. If you don't have any particular thing, then find the substitute for that or keep on trying new things instead of using the particular things. You can always use single thing in a multiple way. So this is how it goes, and little bit in my tear duct area as well. And for my lips, I will be using a red lipstick, so that would be the Chambour's Quid lipstick, and it's in the shade 431. And before that, I will apply a lip liner of the same color all over my lips so that my lipstick stays all night long. So yeah, this is the final look. As you can see, we have finished our eye makeup within 10 minutes. So yeah, it's very simple to create the smoky look. As you can see, if you do it with the right trick. If you are wondering about my earring, so this is the oxidized earring that I bought from Janpat Market in Delhi, and it cost me only 50 rupees, and I got so obsessed with these earrings that I feel I should wear it with each and every dress I'm wearing. So yeah, I'm liking it that much. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. And do comment me in the comment section below whether you like the look or not. You can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check it. And yeah, see you till next time. Bye.